Trinity House maintains over 500 marker buoys around the coast of the UK. They identify dangerous sea areas such as sandbanks, rocks and wrecks, and mark some of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Buoys come in various sizes, colours and markings to communicate specific information to the mariner. They all need carefully looking after to ensure they continue to do their job properly year after year. Every year, most buoys are lifted for an offshore clean and inspection by one of Trinity House's two large vessels. The flagship is THV Galatea. It's a skilled job to get the ship alongside the buoy, especially in demanding conditions. The captain is helped by the latest high-tech motion control system, which can keep the huge ship on a predetermined spot to within tiny margins. At the sharp end of buoy operations are Trinity House's highly trained deck crew. As with all on board, they serve 3 weeks on, 3 weeks off, and must be ready for all weathers. Galatea's rear deck is where they work. Once alongside, the crew must secure the buoy ready for craning on board. It's a dangerous and highly skilled job. It's only possible to see the full size of a buoy once it's out of the water. This is a Class 2. It's 6 metres long and weighs 6 tonnes. Class 1 buoys are double this size. First job is to jet wash the sea life from the buoy body. It's probably not the first time this buoy has gone through this process. Many are over 50 years old, a few nearer 100. The heavy sinker weight that anchors the buoy to the seabed is raised for inspection. The sinker and chain are checked for wear and tear and replaced if necessary. The electronic and mechanical equipment on top of the buoy is checked for faults. Once the buoy has been thoroughly inspected, it's back to sea for another tour of duty. Every 6 years or so, buoys are brought to land at Trinity House's Swansea or Harwich buoy yards. This is the larger facility in Harwich. Here, the buoys are disassembled, stripped back to bare metal and completely refurbished. First, the old paint is removed using a very fine grit fired at extremely high pressure. Next up is fabrication, where any welding or other metalwork takes place. Finally, all sections of the buoy are given 6 layers of heavy-duty paint. The thickness is checked carefully to ensure the metal is well protected. Once the paint is dry, the buoy is put back together, and it's ready to return to sea to undertake its crucial role in keeping seafarers safely on track.